13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
We have some snow out there on our Thanksgiving Day, but a lot more is on the way. Maybe you're feeling one way or another about that. Meteorologist Colton Woods outside all bundled up. We've got to get our pumpkins out of the way out there now, Colton,
Yeah,
because
for sure.
winter has arrived.
Yeah, we have now entered winter, and that trend really will continue over the next week. Heading to our Black Friday, we'll contend with some flurries, but a more significant storm system moves in this weekend, resulting in several inches of snow, likely late in the day Saturday, continuing into our Sunday morning. Your 13 weather ball, no surprise here, is blinking bright. We have snow showers in sight. Lake effect snow is still ongoing across West Michigan, but it will lessen in intensity heading into Black Friday. This video brought to you by LaFontaine Lincoln of Grand Rapids. Live look right now in Muskegon, you can see a little bit of snow on the roadways, and with temperatures below freezing area-wide, do keep in mind some of the roads, especially the side roads that have not been treated, will likely be slick overnight tonight heading into Black Friday morning. Temperature sitting at 28 degrees here in Grand Rapids, 29 in Lakeview, and 31 is the current number in Muskegon. Winds, though, much calmer than they were yesterday. Yesterday at this time, we saw wind gusts around 60 miles per hour along the lakeshore. They are now below 30 miles per hour, so much improvement in the way of wind. However, wind will at least stay on the breezy side through the remainder of the night and continuing into Black Friday morning before the winds really start to die down late in the day tomorrow. Temperature-wise, will likely cool down into the mid-20s overnight tonight, and then we'll stay below freezing heading into our Friday. Satellite and radar right now shows we have a northwest wind, meaning the heaviest lake effect snow currently is just to the south of Grand Rapids, really impacting Allegan County down toward Kalamazoo, and another secondary band in Newaygo County up toward Mason and Lake counties. Even in Muskegon and Ottawa counties, we are still seeing some heavier snow showers. Hour by hour shows that trend will continue overnight tonight. The heaviest snow likely being north of Grand Rapids and just to the south of Grand Rapids. Heading into Black Friday morning, the winds will start to slow down and also the snow will start to gradually end. Really, we're only expecting flurries tomorrow, so less in the way of snow accumulation heading into our Friday. Snow amounts between now and tomorrow evening generally will be fairly light, especially along the immediate lakeshore. The bullseye areas likely being Newaygo County, where Fremont could see a few more inches of snow overnight tonight, and then south of Grand Rapids, Allegan, Kalamazoo counties could also see a couple more inches of snow between now and through the remainder of Friday. But the main story by far will be this weekend. Everybody in West Michigan, except for the areas up toward US 10, is in a winter storm watch. This takes in effect beginning at 7 a.m. on Saturday and lasting to 10 a.m. on Sunday. So most of our weekend, we will be contending with this winter storm. Tracking out the winter storm hour by hour, likely arriving in West Michigan in the early afternoon hours on Saturday. Travel will get very dangerous heading into Saturday evening and especially Saturday night, as the snowstorm will likely be peaking during the overnight hours heading into Sunday. And then by Sunday morning, that low will move right over Grand Rapids. Then behind that system, a little bit of lake effect snow will be possible heading into Sunday afternoon. This is how much snow we're expecting: a widespread several inches of snow, heaviest likely along into the south of I-96, where we could see 8 to 10 inches of snow, a little less snow off to the north near US 10. Heading into the overnight hours tonight, just a few more lake effect showers. We're not expecting much in the way of accumulation, but with temperatures dropping into the 20s, do keep in mind slick roads will persist, especially the side roads that have not been treated. Your 13 on Your Side 7-day forecast shows 13 weather impact alert really beginning at Saturday afternoon, especially Saturday night. I would not be on the roads Saturday evening and Saturday night, and that snow will continue into Sunday as well, and then much of next week staying below freezing.